Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear Buildable Full Coverage Foundation, Long-Wearing and Waterproof Natural Matte Finish. Tired of makeup that melts by noon or leaves your skin looking greasy? Meet Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear Buildable Full Coverage Foundation for anyone craving a long-lasting, waterproof, and natural matte finish. Whether you're battling oily skin, acne, or sensitivity, this foundation promises up to 24 hours of flawless wear while caring for your skin. Here's why beauty enthusiasts and experts swear by this foundation. 24-hour long wear, tested under dermatological control, it stays put through sweat, humidity, and even tears. Waterproof and transfer resistant, perfect for weddings, workouts, or rainy days, no touch-ups needed. Skin-loving formula, hydrates with hyaluronic acid, protects with vitamin E, and balances with prebiotics. Natural matte finish, no cakiness. It blurs pores and controls shine without drying your skin. Versatile coverage, build it up for a glam night out or keep it light for casual days. Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation isn't just makeup, it's a skincare makeup hybrid that works. Find your shade and let your skin shine.